Go Rata! Go Rata!
It's pretty neat.
Fairy tales can come true. It could happen to you if you're young and hard. For it's hard, you will find, to be narrow of mind if you're young and hard. You can go through extremes with impossible schemes. You can laugh when your dreams fall apart at the seams, and life gets more exciting with each passing day. And love is either in your heart or on its way. Don't you know that it's worth every treasure on earth to be young and hard? For as rich as you are, it's much better by far to be young and hard. And if you should survive to 105, think of all you'll derive out of being alive. And here is the best part: you'll have a head start if you are among the very young and hard. There they are.